can see you. Don't even have to look up your nose. It's
Yeah, you
weird.
didn't tell me that. We are at a project that we have previously been at, that we did a bunch of work for these people.
So they bought the house. It was very 80s, very original. And we did pretty much the whole first floor over. We did the kitchen, we did the downstairs bathroom, we did some work in the family room, we did the master bathroom, we did floors, we did a lot of stuff here. We moved the stairs. And this bathroom was something that was on the list but didn't make it into the first phase of the project.
It did not.
But now the family's expanding, so they decided that it was time to do this bathroom.
Susan buys the lightest mirrors possible.
They look good though.
You want to check your hair?
No, it's a disaster.
How's that?
Looks good.
That's good. Okay.
Okay, so this bathroom used to have a single sink and there was a linen closet, and typically we wouldn't take a linen closet out to make a bathroom bigger, but in this case, there's gonna be more people in the house. We decided to take that closet out. We put 2 sinks in, and we ended up with double drawers in the middle, which is nice. So there's still plenty of storage, and it's still plenty big. Did you see the countertops?
Yeah, I like it because it's got
They're,
that like honed finish.
Yeah, they're leathered, honed.
Everybody rubs countertops. It's
I mean,
like a thing. I don't know
especially
what it
this
is.
one, it's textured, it's really cool.
I know, it's just fun to do.
They liked the black accents, but they didn't want to go with black fixtures. Because we went with brushed nickel, I still wanted to get some black in other places. So we put black in the lighting with the brushed nickel, so that kind of combines the 2 finishes. Some people get confused about should you mix metals in a bathroom, which I think it's totally fine. I think the brushed and the black looks nice together. So up here we have the combo of the 2 finishes, brought the black back in the mirror. This is kind of a mixture of both. It has gray and black. It's kind of a charcoal countertop. It's got a cool texture to it.
And you have white speckles that match the sink.
You do,
I
yeah.
picked up on that.
Nice, honey. I'm glad you're paying attention. So this back wall was fun. I found this tile. It's a subway. It's kind of distressed. It's got multicoloring. It's got a lot of variation in the color, which I really like. And then on the sides, we just went with the clean subway stack pattern. They like to lean a little bit modern with the finishes, so that's why we went with the stack pattern and not a traditional
I
herringbone.
actually like that just that wall's herringbone versus all the walls.
Right,
It
well-
gives you a better focal point on that.
And I think sometimes it gets too busy if you do the
Definitely.
herringbone on all 3 walls. And this is
It's
a
the
really
best part, isn't it?
deep bathtub too.
It's actually pretty big.
Yeah, look at that. You could fit in there with the elephant.
I could fit in here with the elephant. I like the wood.
Yeah, wood accents in here are really nice because we didn't really do any wood finishes. But some of the wood accents, I'm sure the kids will use that to get up to the sink. Thanks for bringing the stool in the bathroom, honey.
I actually love the dark floor.
Yeah, the floor is cool. It's a larger hex tile, and again, we've got the black in here. They actually told me to kind of do the bathroom, and they were just kind of like, pick whatever you want. But I was showing them stuff anyway, just in case, because sometimes people say that, and what if they hate it? I'm always worried if they'll hate it.
You are worried if they hate it all the time.
I'm always worried. So I'm like,
Yeah.
what if I pick something and they're just like, you know what? I would like anything you pick except that. So I just like to run it by them. So they said they liked it and they were really happy with the countertop and everything. So I'm glad that they like how it came out.
Yeah, I mean, I like how you kind of get the bluish green on the vanities, you get the bluish green on the tile.
Yep.
You got the white walls behind me here, the tub. You got the white toilet, you got the white sinks, ties it all in. You know?
Yep.
Black floor, black mirrors, black fixtures, silver, black, green.
What's happening?
Green, black, silver.
Yeah.
That's the theme.
Yeah.
right?
Well, it was a little boy's bathroom. So I
Right.
want it to feel like, like a boy's bathroom.
Yeah, so black, silver is definitely boyish, and then
Yeah.
green gives a little bit of flavor. You know, it's like
Flavor. It's like
paprika.
Paprika. I like paprika.
Put a little paprika in it.
Okay.
I think the big takeaway is this.
Yeah, I love that. I
Yeah.
love how that came out.
The pattern, the distressed, I mean, it's cool, it's very cool. I like it. Even the shelves, the clear shelves look good with
You just
the-
like everything, don't you?
I have to like everything because you pick it.
That's true.
Whether
right.
I like it or not,
Yeah,
I don't
I
have
can't
a
say
choice.
it
I
doesn't
don't really have
like.
a choice to like it or not,
It's true.
but I do like it. Oh, I love it, I don't like it. I mean, overall, I think that they should be happy. I mean, we did a renovation for them previously already, and
Yeah.
they were pretty happy
They
with
called
that.
us back, so that's
Yeah.
always good.
Yep. So it was a much larger renovation,
Mm-hmm.
and then they were like, you know what, we need to do this bathroom too.
Right. So I don't think there's much left to do in this house.
Not true. There's always a project.
That's true.
Once phase 1 is done, phase 2, I don't know what phase 3 is, there will be a phase 3.
There will,
There's
yeah.
always a project, always.